Keratin hair treatment for damaged dead hair. This mask adds hydration and moisture to hair, diminishes frizz, improves scalp health. Prevents hair breakage and split ends, reduces hair damage, softens hair, stimulates hair growth, strengthens hair. Ingredients: buttermilk, yogurt, and glycerin. These ingredients will reduce hair breakage, smooth frizz. Butter is one of the best natural remedies for your dry hair. It moisturizes your locks and nourishes them. Leave the butter outside so it melts quicker. Add 4 tablespoons butter depending on hair length. Mash it until it has a smooth texture. Like this. Add 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1 tablespoon glycerin, and 2 tablespoons honey. Mix well until creamy, fluffy texture. Like this. Hair mask is ready. This treatment will reduce dryness, split ends, and overall damage. It can also help to improve scalp health, especially those with a dry scalp. Butter is full of fatty acids and vitamins which help to hydrate your hair. Butter also has emolliating qualities, helping to lock in moisture without leaving hair heavy or greasy. The texture is very fluffy and creamy. How to apply this mask? First, brush your hair until there are no more knots. Hair masks should be applied to slightly damp hair and worked in from root to tip. Leave it for 30 minutes, then rinse. You can use shampoo. For best results, use twice a week. For healthy, long hair,